like we know, Patriji has started the PSSM, and Ekathva is the organization that started Gudakesha. Is Ekathva part of PSSM?
Yeah. So Patriji named online meditation I was teaching in 2011. Varangal Mini Dhyana Yagna. At the time, I was teaching online meditation to everyone. Then everyone went and shared their experience to Patriji, and Patriji also came to nighttime class, meditation class, and he named this meditation as Gudakesha. From then onwards, we took that Patriji's naming this meditation as Gudakesha. From that onwards, we started the Gudakesha name, and then after coming to Corona onwards, we started teaching more online Gudakesha meditation. So many thousands of people. So far, around close to 10,000 people learned this meditation, Gudakesha meditation, through online. So initially, 2011 to 2020 is the time I taught meditation to a few hundreds of people, less than 1,000 people. So now, after Corona, because of the online Zoom and everything, it's got widespread, spreading happening through the mouth publicity and through the YouTube, and people are learning that it has importance, and people are seeing the experiences of the people, other people. Because if anybody talks to 2-3 Gudakesha people, then they'll have the clarity. Oh, wow, this is something working. Okay, immediately people, whenever anybody doing Gudakesha for 40 days completed, anybody, you just ask anybody completed, have you completed 40 days? Then if you ask them, then they will be having they'll be telling certain good things about it. But if anybody completed 40 days for 3 times, then if you ask them that, then you'll have clarity that, wow, these many benefits are there. Thoughtless stage comes, bliss comes, then definitely everybody will be doing it. Okay? Because that's the power of Gudakesha. Okay. And Ekathva is an organization. Through that organization, many courses we are conducting. Train your mind. How to, after 8.5 years of my sadhana, my meditation journey, I started doing meditation without any thoughts. That mastery came over the thoughts. Then I got this mastery. If I start teaching to others, they'll also get this mastery. Then I created this course called Train Your Mind, okay, and Acid Travel, and Gudakesha, and speed reading. Okay, how to read the books very quickly, double your speed, 10 times speed. Okay, many things, possibility is there, and many other workshops are there. Abundance workshops, abundance and prosperity workshop. So many workshops, mastering the fears, mastering the anger, and so many workshops we are conducting on the Ekathva organization name. So how this PSS and Ekathva are there? Now, what is the relationship between these two organizations are there means? We are working on that one. So in eventually few days, the clarity will come. Of course, we are learning our mother organization is Pyramid Spiritual Society, and Ekathva, one organization we created. And some of the rules and formulas we'll be discussing with the global PSSM, with Patri and also Patri madam. We'll be discussing and we'll be formulating, and they're coming up with some rules. Once they they're regulating the rules of the PSSM, all the associated organizations. So once the rules came, and then we'll also be aligning with them, and then we both together will be working in the future. Currently, looks like some things are not in alignment currently, but in the future, I look forward for the complete alignment with the Pyramid Spiritual Society as well, because I am part of the PSSM. All these years, I have so much gratitude towards it. But sometimes it looks like some people are talking and everything. Some things, many comments and judgments are there towards Ekathva and Gudakesha, especially Gudakesha. Many misconceptions are definitely there outside. So we'll be working to resolve all those things. Thank you.
Thank you for sharing that in detail.